first installment in the infrequent vlog, where I infrequently vlog. Yeah. There's someone there. Ah! So we're both vlogging.
What on earth are you holding?
A camera.
Oh my god,
Oh my
introduce
god,
yourself.
yourself. I'm Paul.
That's Paul.
Yeah. And you're who? Who the fuck are you?
Emily.
There.
I
So,
try to make.
how
What do you
was
want? You just film what's happening around you.
Oh. We were in a very nice market
Yeah.
with nice violin music playing in the background,
Yeah.
and you're yelling about potato chips.
Yeah. Yeah. What about it?
So
Okay, try your water drink.
it's not gonna be water.
It's good. It tastes like it's gonna be weird.
That's strange but good actually.
Wow.
Not bad.
How anticlimactic. What? Can you give me some reaction
it-
to the vlog? Give me something.
Ew, it's so weird.
Oh my god, that was so
Oh my
realistic. You're such a good actor.
How's that? Is that better?
Good, you're such a good actor.
This is actually pretty good though. That's cool.